Hello and welcome everyone. Here is our another video of generally asked pharma question. So before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can get the latest video and notification. So let's start the video. First, define stability study and its necessity. Stability study is defined as a stability testing is to provide evidence how quality varies with time under influence as a temperature, humidity and light. Establish a retest period for a drug substance. Establish the shelf life for a drug product. Recommended storage condition. Next, what do you mean by reference standard and working standard? Reference standard, a substance that has been shown by extensive set of analytical tests to be authentic material that should be of high purity. This standard may be obtained from an officially recognized source or may be prepared by independent synthesis or by further purification of excited production material. Next, working standard. A substance of established quality and purity as shown by comparison to a primary reference standard used as a reference standard for a routine laboratory analysis. Next, what is the abbreviation of CTD? CTD means Common Technical Document. This is addressed in the ICH guideline in the section of M and in the part of M4. Next, what do you mean by market complaint? Any communication, written or verbal, received regarding the quality, packing directly from any trader or a product manufacturing and a market staff or any other such a complaint shall be considered as a market complaint. Next, what is the maximum time period for sending the file and response to the concerned customer regarding the market complaint? Within 30 days or as specified in the market complaint SOPs. Next, describe the categories of the market complaint. Market complaints are categorized into three types and are as follows. Critical complaints related to the suspected contamination, adulteration and mislabeling. Major complaint related to the product not meeting its predetermined critical specification and damage to primary packaging. Minor complaint related to the product not meeting non-critical quality attributes or damage to a secondary packaging or a shortage, etc. Next, what are the types of non-complies in an internal audit? Non-complies shall be categorized as follows. Critical, those findings that warrant stoppage of any further operation in the facility under the corrective action have been completed. Until the corrective action have been completed. Major, those findings that required immediate corrective action plan and complies as the operation can be continued. Minor, those findings that required corrective action plan as agreed between the audit department head and quality assurance. Next, what do you mean by performance qualification? The performance qualification document describes the procedure for demonstrating that the system or piece of equipment can be consistently perform and meet the requirement specification under the routine operation and where the appropriate under worst case situation. Next, how will you close a market complaint? If satisfactory response obtained from complaint against our written reply, if the material is recalled, if no response obtained from complaint after 90 days from the date of our written reply. Hope you like this video. For more video notification, join us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.